In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product landing page in Shopify Sense theme. If you want a focused, campaign-ready page without touching code, this approach uses Shopify's built-in pages and templates system combined with the flexible sections in Sense to build a clean, high-converting layout. Start inside your Shopify admin. Head to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your active Sense theme. You'll land in the Theme Editor. At the top center, open the Template dropdown. Switch to Pages, choose Default Page, and then select Create Template. Give your new page template a clear, descriptive name, something like Landing Product XYZ, so you'll recognize it later. Shopify will duplicate the default page template and put you right into editing that new one. Now you're building the landing page. On the left, use Add section to stack the content you need in the order you want. Sense offers flexible blocks, like hero or image banners for a strong first impression, slideshows for visual variety, featured product blocks to spotlight a single offer, testimonials for social proof, FAQs to address objections, rich text for your message, and a clear call to action button. Think of this like telling a story. Hook visitors with a bold headline, show the value with images and benefits, overcome doubts with reviews and FAQs, and end with a decisive CTA. Keep your visual hierarchy clean and consistent, and consider limiting the page to one primary action to keep conversions focused. Don't forget to check the section settings for spacing, mobile layout, and alt text for images so everything looks sharp and loads quickly. When you're happy with the structure, click Save. Next, return to the admin and go to Pages, then Add Page. Give the page a straightforward title like Product XYZ Landing. On the right, find the theme template or template dropdown and select the new template you just created, such as Landing Product XYZ. Save the page. If you want the page to sell directly, you can add the featured product block in your template, or place a button that links to the actual product page. Use your product name, description, and images thoughtfully, so the content on the page aligns with your offer and makes the next step obvious. That's it. You now have a dedicated landing page with its own URL under Pages, which won't interfere with your default product layout. This method is perfect for special campaigns, pre-launches, promos, or a single product showcase when you need complete design control without custom code.